Hey everyone, in this video we are going to compare two powerful CPUs by Intel, the Core i7-13700K and the Core i9-13900K. We'll see which one is better suited for different tasks and which one provides better value for money. If you like this video, please don't forget to hit the like button, comment and subscribe to our channel for more tech videos. Let's get started. The Core i7-13700K is priced at $396, while the Core i9-13900K is priced at $569. So, the i7-13700K is more affordable, while the i9-13900K is a bit pricey but also offers more features. The Core i7-13700K comes with 16 cores, 8P cores plus 8E cores, and 24 threads, while the Core i9-13900K has more power with 24 cores, 8P cores plus 16E cores, and 32 threads. If you need more cores and threads, the i9-13900K might be a better choice for you. Both CPUs come with Turbo Boost Max Technology 3.0 and PCIe 5.0 and 4.0 support. But the Core i9-13900K is faster with a base clock speed of 3.5 GHz and can go up to 5.8 GHz, while the i7-13700K can go up to 5.4 GHz. If you need more speed, the Core i9-13900K is the better option. Only the Core i9-13900K comes with integrated Intel UHD graphics 770. If you're not planning to use a dedicated graphics card, the i9-13900K might be a better choice. So, as we saw in this comparison, the Core i9-13900K is more expensive but also offers more features and better performance. If you're on a budget, the Core i7-13700K might be a better option. We hope this video helped you decide which one to choose. Don't forget to like this video, comment and subscribe to our channel for more tech videos. Thank you for watching.